100 Push-Ups Everyday Experiment. Results after 30 days on physical and mental well-being. Embarking on a challenge like doing 100 push-ups every day for 30 days can certainly yield interesting results both physically and mentally. Here's what one might expect. Physical effects: increased strength. Doing push-ups every day will undoubtedly improve upper body strength, particularly in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Muscle endurance. As the challenge progresses, your muscles will adapt, leading to increased endurance and the ability to perform more push-ups in a single set. Improve posture. Strengthening the chest and shoulder muscles can help. Improve posture by pulling the shoulders back and opening up the chest. Potential for injury. Doing high volumes of push-ups daily can increase the risk of overuse injuries, particularly if proper form isn't maintained or if there's insufficient rest or recovery. Mental effects. Sense of accomplishment. Successfully completing the challenge can boost confidence and provide a sense of accomplishment, especially if it was initially difficult to perform 100 push-ups in one go. Discipline and routine. Maintaining a daily exercise routine requires discipline, which can spill over into other areas of life, improving overall productivity and focus. Stress reduction. Exercise, including bodyweight exercises like push-ups, is known to reduce stress levels by releasing endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators. Mental toughness. Pushing through the challenge, especially on days when motivation is low, can help develop mental toughness and resilience. Caveats: overtraining. Doing intense exercise daily without adequate rest can lead to overtraining, which may result in fatigue, decreased performance, and increased risk of injury. Individual variability. Results may vary greatly from person to person, depending on factors such as baseline fitness level, diet, sleep quality, and overall health. Overall, while a 30-day challenge like this can yield positive results, it's important to approach it with caution, listening to your body, and ensuring proper rest and recovery to avoid injury and burnout. It's also essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.